Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you guys with a video update on Novatech. And I want to start out by saying I made a mistake. I made a mistake yesterday in stating that I had some funds or I had received a payout for the day. When I went into my account earlier in the week, I had a smaller amount of funds. And then when I went in yesterday to check, the balance had increased. I don't know if that was from something else, but clearly it wasn't for ROI. I was able to check with a lot of other members in the community to see if they had received anything, and no one seems to have received anything. So maybe it was a glitch in their system, but it wasn't a very large amount to begin with. So I don't want anybody to fret or think like I have insider information or, they're trying to pay me extra, anything like that. That is not the case by any means necessary. Let me let you guys know that up front. Before I go any further into the video, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell notification to be notified each and every time I drop new content on the channel. But yeah, I was able to do some more investigative research, and I noticed, even with my own personal family members, that they did not receive a payout yesterday. So I just want to clear the air, let you guys know that I made a mistake. Now, with that out of the way, I want to let you guys know my stance still on Novatech in case it wasn't clear in my video from yesterday. My stance is that I still believe that Reverend Cynthia Petion is going to do good by the people of Novatech. I do not believe that they're going to run off with the money. There's way too much at stake. If you look at their history, they were actually scammed out of a program themselves, allegedly. I don't know the full background. I wasn't there from the very beginning. I have been a part of Novatech for over a year now. So, I've just seen things, built relationships over that period of time. But based off of what I can gather, I don't think they're trying to intentionally, at least, up and run away with our money. And that goes for the whole entire team over at Novatech. I know it seems like there's a lot going on right now. The communication could be a little bit better, granted, but I don't think this is a full-fledged rug, in case that was not clear on my video yesterday. The main point of my video yesterday was to be diversified. I know plenty of people who have their whole entire, life savings, or, they dumped 6 figures, 7 figures into their Novatech account thinking that this was it. All I said was, or all I was trying to get across, was that you need to be diversified, and then I have other opportunities in my personal Telegram channel, which, if you want to be a part of, by the way, that is in the description of this video. FX Superheroes is the name of my Telegram. That's where I go over all the projects that I'm currently working with, and I'm going to be adding some new projects coming soon. But back to the track of the main title of the video. Definitely don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's just my personal advice or opinion, but remember, this is not professional financial advice. So you do what you want to do. But for those people who did have all their funds tied up in this one project, look at what's happening now. You're having delays. You're not necessarily getting ROI now, and who's not to say that that's not going to come later on this week. We know a couple weeks back, there was a very small ROI, very minimal, and it appeared to be a duplicate for a second week in a row. And they did come out later on that week and pay out, or I want to say maybe even that same day, and pay out the appropriate ROI for the week. Nothing is guaranteed here with Novatech. If you read the risk disclaimer as you are enrolling for Novatech, everything's in black and white. Everything is there for you to read. And it does not say that we are guaranteed anything here with this platform. So I just wanted to make that clear and let you guys know that I guess I did not receive anything yesterday with Novatech. So for those of you guys who were in the comments saying that, I was bluffing or whatever, it was an honest mistake, and I apologize. It won't be the last time I make a mistake, and I'm sorry for that. And I wanted to come out with an official video and let you guys know that. I just, it wasn't necessarily clickbait or anything like that. I genuinely thought that I did receive something for the week, even though it was very small. Something is better than nothing at all, but it must have been from a bonus or something else. I don't know. But like I said, I was able to verify that with other people that no one received a payout yet. It's only Saturday, so who's to say something doesn't happen this week? I am pulling for Novatech. I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. I'm pulling for them. I really hope they do right by their members, and people are getting paid their account balances. Who's to say that they put the United States on the list because maybe SEC or somebody's coming after them? Maybe it has something to do with regulations here in the States. It could be a whole plethora of things that none of us are privy to. So we're just going to have to wait and kind of see what develops in the coming week, maybe coming weeks. And there's nothing that anybody can do really at this point. So all we can do is stand by idle and wait. As I get updated information, I will make a video and post it here. I'll also post audio updates in my Telegram group, which will probably be faster than me making a full-fledged video and uploading it to YouTube. So you do what you want with that information. But I will be doing updates as we continue to get it on Novatech and just in the space in general. So I just wanted to give that quick little update on this Saturday, May 13th. And, thank you guys for continuing to support the channel, liking, comment, and subscribing to the channel. And like I said, as soon as I get any more information, I will update you guys. Aside from that, enjoy the rest of your weekend. For those of you guys here in the States, happy Mother's Day. Make sure you thank your mother, do something nice for her. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.